5 Whiskey Tango, what was your type aircraft again?
Sling 4, Sierra Lima Golf 4. It's because they're going, what the fuck, they're going straight to Washington. Yeah.
I like that. Direct to Osh.
Torrance Tower, experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, holding short at runway 29 right, for right downwind departure.
Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, Torrance Tower, good morning. Right downwind departure approved. Wind 090 at 3, runway 29 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 29 right, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango. Okay, flaps, fuel, fine pitch. Hatches and harnesses. You're doing Facebook Live?
Yeah.
Nice. But feels heavy.
It is heavy.
I'll just keep it in
Dude. Beauty. Up to Osh. Beautiful day.
Wow, it doesn't normally take us this long to climb. We got a lot of gas on board.
Yeah.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, bases last reported 1,700. For your direction of flight, suggest SoCal 127.2. Frequency change is approved, and have a good flight.
Frequency change approved. Thanks for your help, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Have fun at Oshkosh.
Thanks, will do. Uh, 127.2. If I call SoCal approach, just because I'm doing this, do you want to put in the squawkins and stuff?
Yeah, sure.
SoCal approach, experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango with VFR request.
I'm sorry, I missed the full call sign for the VFR pickup. Say full call sign, position altitude request.
Experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango at 2,600 feet, just outbound out of Torrance with VFR request.
Experimental 135 Whiskey Tango, say your VFR request.
I would like to organise flight following to Oshkosh, please, KOSH. Oh, it says Class B airspace here, so...
So we got to keep...
Oh, we've got to keep right of that.
SoCal approach, Roger. All we know, altimeter 2995.
2995.
Whiskey Tango, Squawk 1031 ident.
I got it. Make sure we stay out of Class B. We're above Long Beach now.
Hey, you cool, you're above that. You can go a little bit more left.
Radar contact 3 miles northwest of Long Beach Airport. What's your requested altitude and route?
2,500 here.
Yeah, so you could stay on that. Now I've requested altitude en route.
17,500 when you can accommodate. 5 Whiskey Tango.
Alright, so you want to go under the Bravo and then on the north side climb higher, I assume. What altitude or what Bravo air block do you want to go under? The 4,000 block or you want to go further east?
I'm going to go under the 5,000 block and then the 6,000 block, so I'll go straight out over Fullerton initially, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Okay, number 5 Whiskey Tango, I understand that, but eventually you're going to turn north, confirm, and then are you going to go into the 4,000 block or the 7,000 block northbound?
7,000. 7,000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Okay, November 5 Whiskey Tango, roger. You can proceed to Paradise and then stay at or below 3,500 until advised.
Okay, proceed to Paradise and stay out or below 3,500, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, Delmine, altimeter 29905.
29905, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, I'll let you know we need to climb higher.
Okay, thanks for your help, 5 Whiskey Tango. Need to activate PDZ.
Great, you become such a good pilot, man.
Having a crack at it?
Huh? Having a crack at it? That's good, it's great.
I'll just, I might just set us up on autopilot here.
Yeah, fuck you, go for it.
Put that on nav. I'll dial in 3.5 hours in.
Alright, number 5 Whiskey Tango, climb VFR to 6,000 is approved. You can go through the 6,000 or you can climb up to the 6,000 block of Class Bravo airspace. And then you'll have to get east of the 6,000 block to go north under the 7 block.
Okay, climb to 6,000 approved for now. Thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Well, 802 traffic still factor, climb and maintain 6,000.
Hey, climb.
Hey,
Climb 6,000,
yeah.
we head. Just stay out of that block and then we can head.
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, contact approach 121.3.
121.3, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango. Circle approach, experimental Sling, 135 Whiskey Tango at 3,500 for 6,000.
135 Whiskey Tango, Circle approach, good morning, John Wayne, altimeter 29905.
29905, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, advise the next until you're on course heading, they'll get you higher, and contact SoCal 125.5, have a good flight, sir.
125.5, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango. SoCal approach, experimental Sling, 135 Whiskey Tango, joining you 5,100 for 6,000.
135 Whiskey Tango, good morning, what is your requested altitude?
We're just trying to get out of Class B here and then get to 17,500, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Okay, you say 17.5?
17.5, yes, please.
Alright, we'll get you higher here in a moment. Number 5 Whiskey Tango, the altimeter is 29907.
29907, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, your climb to 17.5 is approved.
Climb to 17,500 approved, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, contact approach 124.05. Have a good day.
124.05, thanks for your help, 5 Whiskey Tango. 17,500, here we come.
There we go. I'll be getting oxygen, getting shortly.
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, your climb to 17.5 is approved.
Climb to 17,500 approved, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, contact approach 124.05. Have a good day.
124.05, thanks for your help, 5 Whiskey Tango.
We were assigned 280 knots on the speed. You want us to keep that?
17,500, here we come.
There we go. I'll be getting oxygen, getting shortly.
135 Whiskey Tango approach.
135 Whiskey Tango.
Yes, sir. What's your heading now?
We're heading straight to PDZ and then from PDZ straight to Oshkosh, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Give me that 3-letter for Oshkosh.
KOSH, Kilo Oscar Sierra Hotel.
5 Whiskey Tango, what's your type aircraft again?
Sierra Lima Golf 4, Sling. Got a fairly slow climb in right now, just to keep our speed up.
Yeah.
I mean, I can pop it into cruise.
5 Whiskey Tango, what's your heading now?
Heading now is 091, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Right, 085 heading for now, please.
085, 5 Whiskey Tango.
I'll get you on course here shortly. I just got to parallel you south of the LA final.
No problem, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, just maintain VFR. Stay by the
We'll maintain VFR, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Whiskey Tango, maintain correction, VFR out of below 7,000 for traffic.
Out of below 7,000 for traffic, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Whiskey Tango, traffic 11 o'clock and 5 miles southbound to Southwest Boeing 737, descending to 8,000.
Looking for the traffic, thanks 5 Whiskey Tango. He's still miles away.
We have
I don't see him. Oh, is that him over there?
5 Whiskey Tango, traffic now 1 o'clock and 4 miles turning southbound is a Southwest Boeing descending to 8,000.
I believe I've got the traffic in sight. Thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Nice going.
Let's pop that on cruise
I think that'll bring that down.
and back off a little bit here.
5 Whiskey Tango, traffic southbound there, no factor. You can maintain VFR up to 17,500.
VFR to 17,500. Thanks for your help, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Whiskey Tango, altimeter is 2996.
2996. Thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango. We just do a really slow climb.
Yeah.
Trying to take
That's
it easy.
coming down.
I wonder if I can just ask them if we can route straight to Oshkosh now.
5 Whiskey Tango, what would be your on-course heading?
Let me check, 5 Whiskey Tango. Plan. 045, 5 Whiskey Tango. Circle approach, experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, joining you 7,400 for 17,500.
135 Whiskey Tango, SoCal approach, altimeter 29907.
29907, and can you let us know when we can route directly to Oshkosh? It's heading of 045.
VFR, you can go there right now.
Okay, fantastic. Thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango. Check terrain. Headed to Oshkosh. Boom!
5 Whiskey Tango, what was your type aircraft again?
Sling 4, Sierra Lima Golf 4, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Roger, thanks.
Moon Shine 4, 2 minutes.
Because they're going, what the fuck, they're going straight to Oshkosh.
Yeah.
The defense.
Shine 4, ready to service, terminate for exchange crew.
Yeah, it gives us a bit of time to practice them and all that. Nice on the manifold pressure. Look at you. You're a fucking beauty.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, but sounds like cool.
There you go. Shit, that's actually pretty darn good. I thought it might sound a little bit worse.
It sounds fucking real time, man.
I feel like I'm scuba diving.
Yeah. So it's on Delta 5.
SoCal approach, altimeter 29907.
Okay, so Delta 10 is probably a better setting. I mean, it doesn't make any difference. So Delta 5 starts giving us oxygen at 5,000 feet, Delta 10 at 10,000 feet.
SoCal approach, altimeter 29907.
So it's already giving us oxygen.
Yeah, no matter what, yeah. Center experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, joining you 12,900 for 17,500.
Alright, number 135 Whiskey Tango, I was saying that the restrictor airspace up ahead of you, our 2501 is only active up to 15,000. So as long as you were planning on getting 15.5 or above by then, you're able to go direct to your destination.
Okay, thanks. We'll make sure we're above 15,000, 5 Whiskey Tango. As long as we get over 15,000, we're good, and we're climbing.
Delta 1349,
we'll get there.
LA, hello.
LA Center 135 Whiskey Tango with a request, please.
Stand by. 5 Whiskey Tango, stay request.
We intend our flight at 17,500 feet, but we'd like to do a ceiling check and for a short squirt go up to flight level 290. Could you accommodate 5 Whiskey Tango?
You want to go to level 290?
Affirm.
Stand by, please. 5 Whiskey Tango with that request, contact LA Center 124.85.
12485, thanks 5 Whiskey Tango. LA Center 135 Whiskey Tango, request please.
135 Whiskey Tango, LA Center, Kingman altimeter 299.8, go ahead with your request.
299.8. 299.8, and we request a short flight up to flight level 290 just for a ceiling check, and we'll then descend back to 17,500 feet.